feel like?
Soft.
Does it feel soft?
A shell.
Soft and shiny, doesn't it? With all those ridges there.
It's been painted.
Do you think it's been painted? Should we turn it? Should we lift it up and turn it round?
Yeah.
Is it heavy or light, do you think?
Light.
You think so?
Do you think it is?
No. Have a feel.
Zombie, hang on.
You hold it by yourself?
Yeah.
Is it heavy?
Oh,
We might lift it.
Let's turn it round.
let's have a look at the other side.
Light I find. Oh.
We could.
Should we put it in the middle
Wow.
there?
Yeah.
It doesn't even.
What can you feel inside? Is it empty or something inside?
Not right inside.
Don't get your hands
Right,
stuck.
remember.
That's it, very gentle. Oh, no, let us wait. Wait a second.
Feel it.
So
Let's have
what?
a look.
We could hear something in it.
Ah,
something
that's a good
inside.
idea.
Wow.
Should we
Let's
see
have a
if we can
listen.
hear anything?
Have a listen. Can you hear
I can play something playing.
something playing
It's like a guitar.
inside the shell? I thought you could hear the sea inside the seashell. In fact, it's very echoey, isn't it?
It's like vibrating.
I wonder what might live inside here. What do you think might live inside here?
A dinosaur, a little dinosaur.
Little dinosaur, do you think so? Because I might have done like a
I
long,
can
long time
feel-
ago.
I can feel it.
I don't know, because some crabs sometimes have these shells, don't they? They're called like hermit crabs. Where do you think they found this shell?
In the sea.
In the sea?
Where do you think
Find things from the sea. In the
I think the sea, because if you go to the seaside on the beach, you don't very often find shells this big, do you? No,
Comes
so
to look right, what
you
do
might
you
be
think?
right.
Maybe
What do you think,
Where do you think?
Sue?
they got in the sand.
In the sand?
sand.
Do you know, I
It
would
could be
love to
buried.
find one of these at the beach, at the
It
seaside.
could be buried and no one noticed.
It might have been buried until no one noticed. So.